Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for your candle business. Suppose you run a candle store and want to send out scent of the week highlight to boost sale. So with the help of Pabbly, we are going to create this chatbot, will automate this process. So if you want to learn how you can create this process step by step, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to build WhatsApp chatbot for your candle shop business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. We will go to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want to buy candle. After typing, you will see I'm getting a response. Hi there, welcome to Glow and Bliss, your cozy candle shop. Want to receive our weekly scent of the week with a special offer and limited edition? Reply yes to subscribe. Now I am clicking on yes. After clicking yes, I am getting another response. Pick your scent of the week, which one match your mood. Vanilla Cloud, Citrus Grove, Forest Retreat. I want Vanilla Cloud. So simply I am clicking Vanilla Cloud. After clicking Vanilla Cloud, I am getting a response. You picked Vanilla Cloud, cozy and smooth. It's like a warm hug in candle form. 15% off this week only. So you'll see getting a responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. We can also check all the responses on our inbox section, which we have received on WhatsApp. Now, if you also want to create this similar chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open browser and type www.pabbly.com. After typing, we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of Meta for developers, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. How to add WhatsApp number, folder, everything will be covered in the video. So go and watch the video. Now using the navigation on the left side, in this we have inbox, contacts, team queue, templates, broadcast, flows, settings, get help. I already explained inbox section. In this section we checked the responses. Now we have contact fields. In this field we add a contact and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue option. Team queue is used to show the list of charts assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add template and fill the details over here and simply submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with a large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here, username, number, and just click on add broadcast. Now we have an option flows. Just click on flows and we want to create our new chat flow. Just click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is Candle Shop Business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our chatbot. Now we enter our keywords like hello, hi, candle, buy, and so on. Why we use keywords? Keywords we commonly use to trigger the chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex we use the format /b, open and close bracket, /b, and we separate the value by using vertical bar. Regex is also used to trigger the chatbot when user raise a query. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Hi there, welcome to Glow and Bliss, your cozy candle shop. Want to receive our weekly scent of the week with a special offer and limited edition? Reply yes to subscribe. Now I am adding the button, that is yes, and connect the flow to this message box. Now we take another text button and write message on it. Pick your scent of the week, which one match your mood, Vanilla Cloud, Citrus Grove, Forest Retreat. Now we save our flow and connect the yes button to this message box. In this message box we also add a button, Vanilla Cloud, Citrus Grove, Forest Retreat. Now we take media button, which helps to highlight our product. In this we add media, which I already downloaded. Now I am entering the caption and also add buy now button. After this we also take another media button. In this we also add media. Now I am uploading the media, which I already downloaded. Now also enter the caption. After caption, we add buy now button. Now we take similar box for Forest Retreat. In this we upload our image which we already downloaded. Now enter the caption and add buy now button. Now we save our flow. After save, we connect Vanilla Cloud button to this message box and Citrus Grove button to this box and Forest Retreat button to this box. Now we take question box in which we ask a question from user. Fill your details, name. Now we select our contact custom field section in which we select full name and select the format, that is text format. How you can create this contact custom field? Just click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already added some contact custom field like full name, address, email, contact number, quantity. If you also want to add contact custom field, just click on add more field and simply type here. I am typing XYZ and click on the save button. You will see we are successfully creating our contact custom field. Also enter a description which helps you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our flow. Now we take another question box and write message on it, address. Now select the contact custom field. In this we select address and select the format, that is text format. Now we take another question box in which we ask a quantity from user and select the contact custom field, that is quantity, and select the format, number format. In this we also add minimum and maximum number, minimum 1 and maximum 100. Now we connect the flow. These three buy now button is connected to this question box and this question box is connected to this box and this box is connected to this box. Now we save our flow. Now we take text button and write some message on it. I am writing just to confirm name, address, quantity, and we also add confirm order button and connect the question box to this confirm order button. Now we save our flow. After this we take ask media button and write some message over here. Ready to grab your Vanilla Cloud, click below to pay securely. And also we provide payment link. Please share a screenshot after completing the payment and connect the confirm order button to this media question box. After this we simply take a text button and write some message on it. This is our final message. Thank you for your order. We truly appreciate your support and hope you love your candle. Stay cozy and keep glowing. Team Glow and Blaze. Now we save our flow. So successfully we are creating our chatbot for candle shop business. Now it's time to test it. We are back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply I am typing buy some candle and you'll see I am getting a response. Hi there, welcome to Glow and Blaze, your cozy candle shop. Want to receive our weekly scent of the week with special offer and limited edition? Reply yes to subscribe. Now I am clicking yes and you'll see I am getting another response. Pick your scent of the week, which one match your mood. Vanilla Cloud, Citrus Grove, Forest Retreat. I want Vanilla Cloud, so simply I am clicking Vanilla Cloud. After clicking Vanilla Cloud, I am getting a response. You picked Vanilla Cloud, cozy and smooth. It's like a warm hug in candle form. 15% off this week only. Now I am clicking buy now button. After clicking buy now button, I am getting a response. Fill your details. Name. Simply I am writing my name. Test user. After writing my name, I am getting another response. Address. Now I am typing my address. XYZ. Now I am getting another response. Quantity. I want 5 pieces, so I am simply enter 5. After entering 5, I am getting a message. Just to confirm, name, test user, address XYZ, quantity 5. Click the confirm order button to receive your order confirmation details. Now I am clicking confirm order. After clicking confirm order, I am getting a message ready to grab your Vanilla Cloud candle. Click below to pay securely, and this is the payment link. And now we have a note, please share a screenshot after completing the payment. Now we simply share a screenshot. After sharing a screenshot, we got our last message. Thank you for your order. We truly appreciate your support and hope you love your candle. Stay cozy and keep glowing. Team Glow and Blaze. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free.
Thank you.